Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is a Mary Maxim Crochet Kit of the Month unboxing, and this would be for April of 2021. Looks like we're going to have our guy with us again. As soon as he saw me setting things up, he jumped over here on my lap, so he'll be with us for a few minutes anyway. As I shared, this is for April of 2021. I just got it yesterday or the day before. And as we've done in the past, what I'll do is I'll go back and review March of 2021 and show you what I made, and then we'll jump into opening this up. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscription button below and all of that jazz, okay? So let's get going. So last month, for March of 2021, we got 6 balls of Just My Stripe, and you can see I just have the tags. I'm actually, I used all 6 balls to make the items that I made, and the pattern that came with it, the pattern that came with it was to make 2 baby blankets. And guys, I don't have the pattern. And the reason I don't is because we're doing some floor work around the house, and I don't know where that pattern's at. So, but suffice to say, I did not make those 2 baby blankets anyway. I made something a little bit different. And so for the first item that I made, I did make a blanket, but it's just not the baby blanket. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, and let me give you a little bit of a close-up picture. I did use 2 of the 6 balls of the Just My Stripe, and there he goes. 2 of the 6 balls of the Just My Stripe, and I made a corner-to-corner blanket. And this measures about 35 by 45. And this is just a standard corner to corner. Now I said I only used 2 of those skeins, and each of those skeins were 177 yards each. And then what I did, I shared with you last time that I had some mandala sparkle, and I used 4 skeins. I had 4 skeins over on the wall, and all 4 of those skeins are in here as well. So 4 skeins of mandala sparkle, and then the 2 skeins of the Just My Stripe. So that left me 4 more skeins of that Just My Stripe. And so with that, I did not make another blanket. As you guys know, I live in the South. I don't need that many blankets, but I did make something else, but it's going to be for a fall item. And so let me show you what I made. Yep, that's right. I made a poncho. All 4 skeins, the other 4 skeins of the Just My Stripe, so the 2 bluish skeins and then the other 2 that had the pink in it, I made the poncho. This is, and this dark blue was not on the skein, so you can see that row, and this row right here, that is actually Michael's Impeccable. And so I just did that for a little punch of color. But I'll show you up close. This is a 4-row repeater. It's a row of double crochet. Let's see, where's the 5-row? I'll have to count. A row of double crochet, and then I did some V-stitch, and then I did a little flower row, then a fillet row, and then back to double crochet. And then around the upper neck area, then I just put some picots. But that turned out quite nice. So, and it fits me really well. So clearly I'm going to put it away. I can't wear it right now because we were 80 degrees outside today. So that's not going to get warm right now, but I put it away, and I will put it away and I will use it in the fall. All right, so let's get going for this month. Okay? And as before, I have my computer over here to the side, and so that way when we open this up, if I can look up the prices for you, I'll do that real quick. And if not, then I'll just put the prices up above us, okay? This is a skinny one, guys. Yeah, look how, this is a skinny one. We might be back to the cotton. It feels like to me that there might be 2 cakes in there, and then it feels like a hank. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, my black scissors, I don't want to mess up my yarn scissors here. I know some of you are not getting the crochet kit of the month anymore. And for those who are not aware, the first month is $9.99 and it's, I think it's $5.95 or $7.95 shipping. And then after that it's $14.99 a month plus shipping. Let me just look on my receipt and I can tell those people who have not gotten it before. Yeah, $14.99 and then $7.95 shipping. That seems to be about the going rate. So we're all in for $22.94. So let's take a peek. See what we got. Oh, it is the Spring Evening Wrap. I have never seen this one before, ever. All right. Oh, yay, we got some Mary Maxim yarn. So let's take a look at what we got. Okay. Pattern. It's going to be 10 by 64. Pretty colors. Worsted weight. We have Mary Maxim in here. We have Dreamcatcher and Keystone using a J10 hook. A lot of V-stitches. That's what it looks like to me. So I might modify that. Depends on how light it is. We'll see how light it is. But it looks like really very simple pattern. So I'll show you that again. So that's what it looks like. Let's take a peek at the yarn. So first we have a little different. Noro is one of the yarns. Let me see what this is. I've never gotten this before. 100 grams, 240 meters. It is 77% cotton and 23% polyamide. And where is it made? Japan. This is from Japan. Definitely Hank. Let me see if I can get the colors. I think that's about the colors. So it's got some whites, gray, and some browns. It's actually pretty. It's a roving style yarn. Let me see if I can grab a thread for you here. And that's the size of what we got. Definitely roving. We have it has some thick and thin in there. Here's one that's a little bit thinner, guys. So for those who like the roving, you're going to like it this month. And this is pretty soft. I mean, it's not as soft as the those stuff that I was getting from the Annie's Kit Club. But this will work up nicely. I can tell this is some good stuff here. But I've never heard of it. And I bet I cannot find that quickly. But let's see what else we got in the back. Okay. So we have that. And then we also have pretty green. Mary Maxim Best Value. And this color is coming through that I'm seeing. So let's see if we can find it. Mary Maxim. And remember, I've been saying that I've been wanting to try their yarn. And so this will give me a good example. And this is 100% acrylic and 6 ounces, 170 grams, 342 yards. That's a lot of yardage in here. 342 yards. Let me look at the washing. Machine wash, machine dryable. So pretty straightforward. It is almost as soft as Caron Simply Soft. And when I fiddle with the yarn, there's what it looks like, the size. It's almost, like I say, soft as Caron Simply. And it does, you probably can't see it, but I can see it on my side. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it. Let's see what it is for the price on this. If I can't find it real fast, I'll put it up above. But it is their best value brand. So let's see. It says this is regular $4.99, and right now it's on sale for $3.99. So, and then I don't know about the Noro. I'm going to say it probably is not going to meet that $22.94 this month. Noro yarn from Webs. But as something, all right, so I'm here looking at the Noro, and I'm seeing the Noro is $17.95, and I'll do more research on you for that. But between the two, and it looks like that they are, for what I'm seeing here, it's $17.95 for this guy. Yep, $17.95, and then the price that I gave you. So it's right in there. It's right in there. And then plus, I always say it's $3 to $5 for the pattern, so we're right in there. Okay, so this is not going to be a hard project at all this month, but that's what we got, guys. And so I'm going to go away, and I'm going to go see if I'm going to make this evening wrap. I probably will once I get going on it, just see what it's going to do. And guys, take a look at the colors. So you guys are going to get different colors because I don't have blue. So some folks are out there going to get blue. All right, that's what I had to share with you guys today. I'm off to make the project. Talk with you guys next time. Bye.